Hello friends, and in this video I'll show you how to edit table of contents in Google Docs. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. We have a text document like this and a table of contents for it. See how to create a table of contents in this detailed video. Now let's look at what options we have for editing this table of contents. First of all, we will increase the font size, since the default font size of the table of contents is very small. Highlight the table of contents with the leftmost button and then edit it as plain text. We can change not only the font size but also the font itself, make it non-bold or even change the color. Although we took the headings for the table of contents from the text, we can change the appearance of the heading in the text, and this change will not be reflected in the table of contents in any way, and vice versa. Now let's look at a situation where we need to add several subheadings, like here. This is our main heading, and below that we have 3 more subheadings, but in the style list we can only select the second and third, and we need another fourth. No problem, we can assign a second type or a third to all the remaining subheadings. Click the Update button in the table of contents and it will look something like this. Or we will continue to assign numbers to headings, and additional numbers of subheadings will appear automatically and we will be able to use them. And the table of contents itself will look like this. The subheadings are now arranged in steps. Let's fix the appearance of these headings. Let the font match the table of contents and let the color be blue. Great, but to add a new heading, select a place in the text, type a heading and then highlight it and change its style from normal to heading number 1. Now go back to the table of contents and click Update, and a new heading has appeared. We will also change its appearance according to the table of contents. In addition, the table of contents has its own options. Click on the table of contents, right-click and select Table of Contents options. Or click these 3 dots and click More options. The Options tab on the right has opened, and here we can select the type of table of contents: plain text, dotted, and links. If there are no page numbers or tab leader in some type of table of contents, we can always add them separately. And in the header levels list, we can configure how our headings will be positioned. Either everything is at different levels, that is as a step-by-step structure by default, or we can align all headings to the level of the main headings, that is 0. Or in some other way that suits you. That's all I wanted to say. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.